In today's video, I am going to teach you how to browse available markets on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are on the main screen, direct your attention to the left side of the platform. This is where you will find the watch list panel. The watch list is the area that displays trading instruments you want to monitor or access quickly. At the top of the watch list panel, click the plus button labeled Add Symbols. This will open the window where you can browse the full range of markets available on the platform. Inside this window, you will see different market categories. These categories help organize the available instruments, making it easier to find what you want to trade. Take a moment to browse through the categories listed. You can then expand any category to see the instruments available within it. For example, you may see categories for forex pairs, indices, commodities, shares, or cryptocurrencies. When you open one of these categories, you will be able to view the individual markets offered under that section. This allows you to explore the platform and locate the exact type of instrument you want to follow. Once you find a market you want to add, select the specific instrument. To place it into your watch list, double-click on that instrument. As soon as you do this, it will be added to the watch list panel on the main platform screen. This is useful when you want quicker access to instruments you plan to watch more closely. After adding the instrument you want, close the Add Symbols window. Then return to the watch list panel and review the newly added instrument. You should now be able to see it listed along with any other symbols already in your watch list. To open the chart for that instrument, simply double-click it from the watch list. The chart will open on your screen, allowing you to view its price movement and begin analyzing the market directly from the platform. At this point, you have successfully browsed the available markets on Pepperstone, added a trading instrument to your watch list, and opened its chart. This confirms that you can access and explore the markets available to you on the platform. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.